Expressing concern, an easy guide to understanding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very useful English phrase, express concern. Understanding this phrase is key to improving your English communication, especially in formal and empathetic contexts. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Express concern is a phrase used when someone wants to convey worry or unease about a situation or someone's well-being. It's often used in formal contexts, like in business, healthcare, or education, but can also be used in personal conversations. Understanding this phrase is crucial for expressing empathy and understanding in English. This phrase can be used in various scenarios. For example, 1. In a professional setting, a manager might express concern over an employee's workload. 2. In personal relationships, a friend might express concern about another friend's health. 3. In public issues, citizens might express concern about environmental issues. The key is to use it when you want to show that you are worried or uneasy about a situation or person, doing so in a respectful and caring manner. Let's see some examples. 1. I would like to express concern about the recent changes in our work policy. 2. The teacher expressed concern over the student's absence from class. 3. As a community, we must express concern about the rising pollution levels. These examples highlight how the phrase is used in different contexts to indicate worry or care. Understanding and using the phrase, express concern, is a great step in becoming more proficient in English. It's a phrase that conveys empathy, responsibility, and awareness, important aspects of effective communication. I hope this video helps you in your journey of English language learning. Keep practicing, and see you next time.